How to use CharityEngine CRM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CharityEngine CRM is a powerful tool for non-profit organizations to manage donors, campaigns, and fundraising. But beginners often make mistakes that reduce efficiency and impact. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not importing all relevant donor data. Most users get this wrong by skipping historical donation records or contact details. Complete imports ensure accurate reports and personalized engagement. Second mistake, ignoring campaign tracking. You won't believe how many beginners fail to set up campaign aids or track responses. Use the CRM's campaign features to measure donor engagement and optimize fundraising strategies. Third mistake, underutilizing automation. The surprising truth is that CharityEngine allows automated emails, reminders, and follow-ups. Skipping this means missed opportunities for engagement and retention. Fourth mistake, neglecting reporting dashboards. Beginners often generate one-off reports instead of using real-time dashboards. Track donations, event registrations, and donor behavior continuously to make data-driven decisions. Finally, failing to segment donors properly is common. Group donors by giving history, engagement, or location to personalize communications and improve retention. Generic messaging often leads to low response rates. Using CharityEngine CRM properly means importing all data, tracking campaigns, automating communications, monitoring dashboards, and segmenting donors. Avoid these mistakes and your nonprofit will operate more efficiently and connect with supporters more effectively.